Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF. So imagine, or for example, you have an invoice PDF like this, and if you open it, you get a PDF like this. You see, it has like an address, another address, Okay, so if you want to edit this PDF now, you can't do it. It's impossible to do it here. So it's impossible to modify it here inside the browser. So the best way is to use a software which is PDF Gear, don't save, which is this one. I will give you the link on the description. Free download. I already downloaded it, and you have to install it. And you can see it will tell you for the language, okay. And then we install the software. There's no ads, nothing. So you can see it's installing the software inside of our PC. Let's wait a little bit for it. After the installation, it will tell you if you want to open launch, if you want to open PDF Gear. Let's tell him yes and finish. Okay, now we will get this interface. We click on open file and then go to the location of your PDF. For me, it's on the desktop, and then invoice. And you can see it opened the PDF in our new software PDF Gear, and you can change anything. For example, you want to change this address, your city, for example, right click, edit text, and go here, and for example, New York, for example, press on exit editing, yes, and you can see now we have a new invoice for our New York company, for example. If you liked the video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you.